Hello guys and welcome to AppWhiz. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to deposit on-chain USDT from Binance to Bitget or any other exchange. So first of all, open the Binance app and you will land on the home page. From here, tap on Send, then choose the option Withdraw on-chain. Now select the coin that you want to send. In my case, I will select USDT. After selecting USDT, paste the recipient's wallet address carefully in the address field. Next, choose the correct network according to the receiving exchange, and then enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Once everything is filled in, tap on Continue and it will ask for security verification, such as Google Authenticator, SMS code, or any other method you have enabled. Complete the verification process and your withdrawal will be submitted. You will then see the status as processing, and after a few minutes, the funds will be successfully transferred to the receiving exchange. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Until next time, see you soon.